Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be adding an accessory to my Tesla Model Y that's going to black out my emblems. I look around the car and I see there's not a lot of chrome on the car. This is a little bit. The front emblem here, the couple emblems in the back. And so I was looking for a product that's really easy to install that's going to help me cover these up. Let's get into it. The guys over at EV Base sent me these. These are front and rear logo covers that just stick over the original kind of chrome emblem on your Model Y or your Model 3. This kit also comes with a little emblem for your steering wheel. If you want to cover up a little chrome patch on your steering wheel, you get one of those too. So that's the little tiny one there. Set that off to the side. These are specially made to fit all the curves and the contours of your Tesla. So if you just want to kind of like black out your emblems, I think it's a great little product, easily to do and install. Not removing the original factory emblems or anything like that. So really kind of convenient. And this is the one for the rear hatch or the trunk. So they come really nicely packaged, and I think they're going to be a really cool product to install. This one has like a nice curve to it to match that curve on the back of your Model 3 or your Model Y. So super cool. So let's go back to the car, and we'll go ahead and work on installing these in the car. So we're here at the front of my Model Y, and I just kind of want to do like a test fit real quick to see how these kind of fit on. I haven't peeled off the tape yet or anything like that. So that's kind of what it's going to look like when you peel the tape off. They're just kind of going to stick over the original emblems, which is kind of that 3M adhesive on the back, and that's going to fit right over the top there. I really like that blackout look. I think it looks really sharp. It matches the rest of kind of the matte finish that I have on the car going. So let's go ahead and get these installed. The first step I want to do is take a little cleaner. Use an alcohol wipe, anything you really want. Spray a little bit on my towel here, just to make sure this is free of dust, lint. Try to get down in these edges. Clean it up real good, just so it sticks well. That's what we're trying to do here. I think I got that clean. Try to get down in all those little grooves and edges. All right, got that nice and clean. We're going to start with the big one here. And we're just going to find the little tab that is included there. And work our finger down, see if we can get that off. And that should peel up and expose the adhesive that's going to stick to the car. There you go. Get that out of the way. Let's line it up nice. Boom. Just like that. You got a blacked out emblem. I think it looks really sharp. I like that a lot. Let's do the top part. Same kind of deal here. It has a little sticky or a little flap there for you to grab. Peel that off without peeling up the actual adhesive part. I came with it. Make sure that sticks down. Let's see if I can get that. All right, so I got the adhesive stuck back down. We'll pull it up like that and just attach it to the top. And there you go. That's kind of your front blackout emblem. I think it looks really good. It's nice and secure, really sticky. It should work great. So quickly moving to the back, it's going to be the same process as the front. We have our rear logo here, and it's kind of, again, designed to match that kind of curve that's on the back of your Tesla. Same for the top piece here. So we're going to do a little spritz of our kind of cleaner and just wipe this off to make sure there's no residue or sticky dust, fingers, whatever could be on there, waxes from washing your car. Just kind of want to make sure that bond is nice. Let's kind of take a second and clean this up real good. Try to get down in all those edges is what I'm trying to do, especially the surface here where the sticky is going to adhere. One more little buff. Okay, cool. So let's start with the big one. And I have it here, and we're going to pull off the backing. See if we can do it without leaving that adhesive stuck there. So we got the adhesive backing off. That one was a little bit trickier. It really wanted to stick to the backing, but that's how you know it's good adhesive. So we're going to come right over to our logo, place it right on the center of it. And it does raise your logos a little bit, but I kind of like it. I kind of like that look. If it's a little bit more prominent, the kind of Tesla logo, I think it looks really sharp. Press it on there for a good couple seconds. Make sure that adhesion works really well. All right, let's see if we can get the backing off the top cover here. See how easy this comes off. And kind of that same issue I was having with the first one. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. Hopefully you saw that. All right. Get the nice sticky back there. We're just going to stick it right on over that top cover, top line. And come back over and give it a good few, some good pressure. So you can get some good adhesion on there. You don't want these falling off. And there you go. Blacked out logo on the back too. I think it looks great. The last thing I want to quickly cover for you guys is that this kit from EV Base also includes the cover for your steering wheel. And I'm not going to install this one. I have some other plans for my steering wheel here. But if you want, you just peel off the back and it sticks right there to the kind of the middle of your steering wheel. If you really want to take away all the chrome details of the inside, I guess there's some chrome over here on the dash too. But a nice little cover there if you want to just kind of change up the look of the inside of your wheel. Well, that about wraps up and covers our unboxing and installation of this product. Super simple, quick, easy product to change up the look of your Tesla. Doesn't get any better than that. I think it took me like 5 minutes to install these, and I think they're going to last a long time. I like the matte finish. It matches some of the other matte black accents that I have on the car, the spoiler, the door handles, all that good stuff. Big thank you to EV Base for sending these over to me. If you want to use my code down in the description, it's Gamble1080. You see it on the screen here. It'll help you save you some money at checkout with EV Base. I'll have a link to these products down in the description, as well as some of my other favorite products that I've reviewed over the last few months of owning my Tesla. I really love this car. I love accessorizing it. It's a lot of fun. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. Again, big thanks to EV Base. Appreciate working with you guys, and we'll see you all in the next one. Feel free to like and subscribe.